I'll be installing a Steeda master clutch line. It's an upgrade. Having little problems getting my car in first gear, in and out. The mantic clutch. So instead of pulling the transmission right away, this right here has a problem of seeping air on the S550s. So I'm hoping this takes care of it. You can't just go get any kind of regular hose, trust me. I was gonna do it, but I reckon it's a special kind of hose. I'm assuming it's some kind of silicone hose. I'm not really for sure, but due to clutch fluid and brake fluid breaking down just about anything and eating paint off your car, it has to be a certain hose. But I couldn't get nothing down in there to catch the fluid, so I'm turkey basting it, literally. That's what this is. I just took me a hose right there, random hose, and cut it, stuck it down there, sucking it out and pouring it in there. That way I don't have to worry about it pulling that hose. This is the one that you got to pull right here, and it goes, I don't know if you can really see all that well down in there or not, but that's where it goes. You just pull it right off, but when you pull it, your fluid's going to go everywhere, and I don't want to get it all over my car. So I'm going to turkey base it, stick a rag under it, pull it. That rag will catch whatever. And then the new hose, you just slip it right on, put the clamps on it, fill it back up, pump your clutch and your brakes, because this is a clutch and a brake reservoir. So also you want to keep an eye on this rubber piece right here. I don't know, but I'm starting to think this fluid may be eating this away a little bit. Could be just me being paranoid. Anyways, I'll give an update. That little joker was a pain. Get out that right there. That wasn't no problem. Can't get down in there all that great with anything to pull that joker out. So I wouldn't have told you if it wouldn't work, but it worked. That's well done to get it out. I took a piece of string, I tied to that joker, and I stood back right here. I gave her one good yank, that joker come right out. Like pulling a tooth. Yeah. Alright. As you can tell, finished product. There's a pain. I didn't take none of this out. I didn't take none of that out. I didn't have to take any of that out. Just patience. Gotta have patience. Back up some dot cord. I didn't have to repump anything. My light came on after I filled it up, but after a few minutes it went off. Clutch pedal, still good clutch pedal feel. Of course I ain't trying to put it in gear or nothing yet, I'm just still making sure. Let's test it real quick. Let's do that won't do it, I got my hood and everything popped. We're gonna do a line lock, but right in gear. I've been having trouble getting it going in first gear on my mantic clutch. I had no trouble at all that time. I ain't saying that fix the problem. It'll take a couple of days to play with it to see, but definitely didn't have no trouble. Let's try reverse. wonky. All right, that'll work. See, I'm on 93. Guaranteed 10% at the pump.